kushoma
ndukushoma kandi nyine saluni ya mobile ndukushoma.
Nice. Emyaka 3 twageze wa graduating muzeyi wa Amerika Chambogo
talizire by the way akija mukadeja aunt wanje
akaba ucumuzeyi utije
muzeyi wanje akari yawo yafuna issues manyu bamwiba
sorry
sayo atakuza kwija
reka banza yiterezo bambi
but to me I was okay. Because you remember kanye nekora nesente za graduation kandi abiro mnonga
kukutari mbiya grad bana tokwenda bakutachoye kuniyo torasibire na grad day mukasheshe
nkaseba kandi graduating tomorrow ekirecho kanye ne clients a day before up to like shanka mukaga gweche
muri ya grad okota gujujuro toti
ngabana abimanyirire byo kucera ibyo kubyama late
so ma graduating waza kulonda emirimo
ntindagire kulonda emirimo actually before graduation remember aho kutwamazire exams no man mara exams nko mukwa kashatu university mbama nko mukwa kanaho yes then mufuna that long holiday before graduation from ko kwa kanapa ko kwa 12 yes
was graduate umko banza
Chambogo ne graduating ngo 12
okay
yes makere niyo ko kuba so hata okutwamazire tuti university yemba nkansevingira ka sente kanje ntwire ndio
utwire no mano kusevinga to kuziriya mandazi oine bank account shiyo ryo mu mufariso mwanze standa
nkanye ne bank account
nkaidia
umsente naringa jigro mvaka
tori mmere oine yanka ka sente kawe kakwingana cyo bwirobo
ngabanye ne miliyoni emwe ne mitwaro nkashatu
bit sister ogo mwaka twagamba ngo mwaka ki mwaka cyo gwabo inejo miliyoni muri ya Okeza campus
2013
what
no
2016 mwana we nsente nabwe no manya miliyoni emwe ya 2016 na hatu wajimba ni sente nyingi kandi yebuze then
but I was making money. You remember even in that period ndukusiba mashocho hostel business ekakwata in those 3 years nkabana guzire materials za salons equipment abanye ne rollers ne hand dryer obuntu nto bwa salon
so omuntu kuyabira yiza ryo mushi sente zawe takubasa kuzigendana notekwa kunabo mwishoche ninga notekwa kusettinga pamlods ninga notekwa kusettinga wa bobu ninga wa manya straight yene ikanka buri yo mwene hostel nkani wa business bakumanya na mnonga abishabanyankore bambi
bakumanya from different courses
so washobora waronda kasaru ninga wa mom hostel
atukutwamazire tuti exams after like 1 week ndonda akaruma omulubanda karimo mukaza kaine boutique nsaburentinga nawe actually kuna amazire enti nyineze sente nkanye ndagura izindi equipment kongera of course naza kutandika serious business I had a friend bamwita Rukundo Gilbert actually big ups to him mugambira yenda kutandika ka business
nyine sente
nkabara of course ndukureba equipment sinzi kumara zinga izi dryers empanga hati nyenda dryers
zo kushitama
nyenda ntebe
mirror
nyenda sink nyenda mirrors atumbara baramudebe ibintu mbi kugena ko 2 point something so kuna ninganira na Rukundo mugambera. He immediately asked me, how much do you want?
Oh, bless Rukundo. Bless him so much.
Ni mukunda.
Yakwata miliyoni nkemwe yaje.
Akampa miliyoni emwe n'emitwalo 15.
Wayonjera rizire?
Yes, nayonjera rizire.
Wamushashura mpora?
Nkamushashura mpora mpora.